In this section, we'll start our very own first project, a workbench that features a lower shelf and a 96mm pattern of dog holes on the top face. This workbench was actually a custom design project for a client of ours in the UK back in 2022, and I think that it's a good exercise for those who are learning Fusion in order to practice 2D sketching, 3D modeling, and forming assemblies. So the sketching and modeling, they're fairly straightforward, but the positioning of each part according to the design needs to be done accurately by adjusting certain parameters in the joint command, which does require certain considerations. But overall, I think it's a fun project and realistic for any woodworker to build. In terms of joinery, there are many techniques available to construct this part, i.e. pocket holes, angle brackets, or just wood screws, etc. We're not so much interested in the joinery techniques, but rather the focus is on modeling and construction. I hope you enjoy this project, and please send me a message if you have any questions or comments. So, let's model and build our workbench.